In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Figma icon library 3 different ways. By the end, you'll feel confident getting set up, running an icon library plugin, and exploring different ways to curate the icons you need for your projects. First, head to the Figma website in your browser. Once it loads, open the file or page where you want to manage your icons. This could be a new design file or an existing project. Either works fine as long as you have a place to preview and organize what you bring in. Next, open the Quick Actions menu. This is the fast way to find features and plugins without hunting through menus. If you're on a keyboard, you can use the shortcut to open it instantly or simply click the search bar at the top of the Figma interface. Inside Quick Actions, look for the Plugins section. Type Icon Library into the search field. You should see a plugin with that name appear in the results. Click it, then click libary, run to launch it. With the Icon Library plugin open, you can now explore different approaches to building your library. One way is to browse curated sets inside the plugin. This is great if you want consistency across your entire product, because all icons in a set usually share the same style and proportions. Another way is to search by keyword to quickly pull the exact symbols you need for a specific screen or feature. A third approach is to filter by style, size, or stroke weight, so you can assemble a collection that matches your brand's tone, rounded, sharp, filled, or outlined depending on your design language. As you explore, keep an eye on consistency. Icons look best as a system when they share a common grid, stroke weight, and visual rhythm. Check that the icons are vector-based so they scale cleanly, and review any usage notes or licensing shown by the plugin before adopting them in a production library. A few best practice tips as you go: use clear, systematic names for your icons so they're easy to find later. Keep sizes predictable, like 16, 24, or 32 pixels, and, when you're ready, consider turning your selected icons into components and organizing them on a dedicated canvas so your team can reuse them reliably. Publishing a shared library later can make handoff faster and help maintain consistency across files. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, run the Icon Library plugin through Quick Actions, and explore the sets, searches, and style filters that work best for your project. Have fun building a clean, consistent icon system that's easy to maintain.